Hi, I'm Laura. I'm here to give you a quick introduction to our new animated GIFs that can be used to promote your business opportunity videos. When you scroll down the page, you'll notice there are 3 different sizes for each video. We have small, medium, and large. Now there are also 3 different ways you can use these animated GIFs. Option 1. If you know something about HTML or have a web page administrator, you can copy the embed code and paste it into the HTML section of your web page. This is more for advanced users. Option 2. You can right-click on the image you want to use, select Save Images and save the file to your computer. This way you can upload it wherever you want, like a website, a social media page, or insert it within an email as an attachment. Remember though, the image will not be clickable unless you link it to your video. If you are uploading it to your social media page, you may not be able to add a link to the image, but you may be able to add your link under it, or next to it. Option 3. And, this is probably the best option if you are adding the image to your email signature, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's start by right-clicking on the image, select Copy Image Address in Chrome or Copy Image Location in Firefox. Then, open your email program. I'm using Gmail in this example, but the process is very similar with other email services or autoresponders. Here you can see my signature at the bottom of my email. I'm going to put the cursor below my phone number. Then, I'll click on the Insert Photo tool. Here's where I can upload the photo, but I don't want it to show up as an attachment. The better way to do this is to insert the image URL, which we just copied to our clipboard. So I'm going to click Web Address URL and paste in my image address and click Insert. That puts the image in my email where my cursor was. Now we can select the image, and even resize it a little if we want. But, what I want to do is make that image clickable. So, I'm going to go back to my SiteActor account. I'll right-click on the image again. This time I'm going to select Copy Link Address or Copy Link Location. Now when you go back to your email, don't just select the image. Instead, you will probably need to click and drag your mouse like this to highlight the image. Once the image has been highlighted, you can click on the Insert Link tool. Then paste in your link here, and click OK. Now you can send your email. And here is the email with the clickable GIF image. When I click the image, the video opens.
Thank you for checking out our business opportunity. I know it's hard to cut through all the online hype, which seems to be everywhere today. If you're like me, you just want the straightforward facts.
That's perfect. These GIF signature images are a great way to make a strong impression. I hope you enjoy using them. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck with all your marketing campaigns and have a great day. Bye for now.